Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is all about fixing my hair because if you have seen the last vlog where I tried the Birds of Paradise color at home, it ruined my hair. So I thought why not go to the experts and get my hair fixed, colored, and maybe achieve what I actually wanted to achieve. So this is my hair before. So I had gone to this place called Tuck. It's in Lokhandwala, Mumbai. The people were really warm. They are going to transform my hair today. Honestly, I got really tired by this time because I had to wait for an hour for the color to show. And yeah, it was time to wash it off, and I am so excited to see the transformation. Obviously, they will dry my hair first and style it a bit, so let's wait. And this is how the hair is looking. Honestly, I really loved it because I was really afraid that it would be too much on the face, too bright, too blondish, but I loved how subtle it looks. Obviously, they wanted to do something more, so I let them do it. And yeah, this is how the front is looking. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Do let me know and see you. Bye.